Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix this code on Rainbow Six Siege 0-0x000001. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here before you start the game, go to settings and make sure that your operating system here on Windows Update is up to date. As you can see here, for me, I need to install new updates. And also, depending on your GPU, what GPU you're using, you need to make sure that your GPU is up to date as well. So for me, I just need to go to NVIDIA app, and then I can go to drivers and install my latest drivers on GPU. If this do not work, then what I suggest to do here is this problem is related to anti-cheat BattlEye. So you just need to try to disable your antivirus software if you're using one and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then open up your client where you have Rainbow Six Siege, and then what you need to do here is to right click on your game, go to properties, then you need to go to browse, and then here you will see a BattlEye folder. You just need to right click on it and delete it. And then what you need to do next is to here it should be under the installed files, verify integrity of the game files, and press on it and wait until BattlEye folder will be reinstalled. And then next step, if this did not work, I suggest you to download a VPN. I believe a Proton VPN is completely free. You can download it and try to connect to a VPN, and then try to connect to Rainbow Six Siege. I'm using Privado VPN. I believe it's a few dollars a month, and it's quite good for FPS games because I can set my latency, sort my latency from low to high. And then this means if my latency is low, my ping is low, I will not have packet loss, and I can play FPS games or other games on network smoothly. So I will leave the link of the VPN in the description below so you can check it out. But nevertheless, try to use a VPN and look if the problem persists. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.